Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this video, I caught the most dinks ever on a topwater lure, fishing with the dual Realis Shinmushi Cicada bug. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. And before we jump out on the lake fishing, just want to give you a closer look at the lure that I'll be fishing with here in this video. It is the dual Realis Shinmushi Cicada bug. It is actually 1.5 inches long. It's a 1/5 of ounce. It has number 10, as you can see right here, number 10 treble hooks. And this actual lure model right here that I got is called the Semigara. So it's Semigara is the actual lure type that I got. I actually got it from Tackle Warehouse, and the price on this lure is running $13.99. Now, there are other versions of this lure on the website, so that's why it's important that you remember Dual Realis Shinmushi Cicada. And I'll probably put a description in the link in the actual description. So if you want to go over and take a look at it, you'll know exactly which one to look for. The kind of tackle that you'd want to use on this type of lure right here is you want to use spinning tackle right here. So in the video you're going to watch of me, I'm using spinning tackle to fish with this. I'm fishing with a 7-foot rod, medium action, and I'm using 8-pound braid in order to fish this lure right here. This lure is really small, really light, but it does even have a rattle in it. As you can see right here, it will crawl, and I love those crawling lures, and it just really mimics any type of insect or bug that's on the top of the water. And right now, where I live at, there's another rehatching of dragonflies. So I'm going to take this out on the water, put it to the test, and see what I can make happen. So once again, please like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the water. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and we are out at the lake, and we're going to be doing some fishing this morning. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be fishing with a tiny cicada bug that I've got. And the reason I'm going to be using that because I see there's a lot of dragonflies out there on the water. And because there's a lot of dragonflies, you got to match the hatch, match what they're eating. So that's what we're going to do right now. All right. There we go. Haha. Not the biggest bass in the world, but we got one. Not the biggest bass. Look at that one, everybody. This guy is so little, but yet look at him. Look at that. As little as he is after this little cicada bug. Not the biggest one in the world, but we'll take him for right now. All right. Talk about a micro bass right there. That is really a dink. All right. There we go. Another little dink. We got another little dink on the cicada bug here. As you can see there, another little dink on the cicada. But it's a good sign that the bass are out here somewhere. The little ones are around. There we go. There we go. Another one right there. That one's a little. That one's a little better. They're still. They're still pretty small. You know. As you can see, not the biggest, but we got one. We got another one here. That's our next one here. All right. Third one. Okay. Okay. Not a big one, but we are catching them. So we're catching something. So, all right. There we go. My goodness. Dink Fest. Look at that one. Not sure. Hopefully you caught that one. That little bass came in there. And there we go. That little bass came in there and struck it fast. Struck that little cicada. Let's see it here. And you can just see how little that cicada is, but how little those bass are, but they still want it. All right. There we go again. Look at that. Look at that. Another dink, but they want that cicada. And that's an interesting thing right there, because these bass already have learned that insects are the way. And that's how they're going to get big, is eating insects. So they are opportunists, and they're taking advantage of it, as you can see right here. Taking full advantage of it and hitting that cicada bug. All right. Such a little bass right there. But wanted that big old cicada. All right. There we go. There's another dink. There is another one, everybody. There again. These little guys are loving that little cicada. They're after those dragonflies. All right. As I said before, these are not the biggest bass in the world, but they are hungry. All right. There he is one more time. All right. Little guy. So little. But he'll remember this day. All right. There we go. There we go at last. We got one. We got one, everybody. That's a nice one. There we go. All right. All right, everybody. Woo! We got one. We got one at last. I thought this was going to be a dink fest. And we got one. Really nice one right there. All right. Look at that. On that cicada right there. That's a nice one. A little over a pound right there. Okay. And look how small that hook is in his mouth. But yet it held strong, because that's a great little cicada lure right there. All right. Look at that mouth. Look at that right there. All right. All right. From Dinks to a decent one. We finally got one right here. So no complaints at last. I finally got one. That's a nice one here. A little over a pound and a half. So I'm happy with this one. All right. All right. There he is right there. A little over a pound and a half on that little tiny cicada bug. All right. No complaints. There we go. Another dink. We are just tearing it up here. All right. Still a little one, but they want that cicada. Like I said, dinky, but they want it. As soon as it hit, this is a decent one. Woo! This is a decent one right here. There we go. There we go. Soon as it hit the water. Soon as it hit the water. Wow. Look at that. Soon as it hit. Look at that one right there. Another one. Over a pound and a half. Another nice one right there. All right. Here we go. Got another one on that cicada. Got another nice one here. All between the dinks. Then we get the big ones, the nicer ones. All right, so no complaints on this one. Okay. I'll work my way back. There we go. I got another one there. Just killing it on this cicada with these little dinks. So there you go. There's another one right there. There he is. All right. There we go. There we go. Woo! Look at that. Look at that again. Another one. This is my third one of a decent size. Man, look how he's hooked in there. He totally inhaled that one. Totally inhaled it. All right. That's a nice one. That's a nice one right there. All right. There it is. Nice one right there. All right. Everybody, it's Talk with Johnny. Here is our third one of our big ones. Through the dinks, we've been catching them on that cicada. All right then. This is a lot of fun. Okay. There we go. He wanted it. Right by that lily pad. Another nice one here. Woo! Good Lord. On that cicada. Look at that one. Another nice one. On that cicada right there. All right. There it is. Another nice one. On that cicada right there. All right. Everybody. Woo. Number 4 are the ones that are over 1.5 pounds. Woo-wee. We on a roll today. So we just going for it. All right. There we go. Another dink. We are just putting in work. Another dink right there. All right. There he is. Another dink. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny here. I want to thank you for watching this episode right here. Woo! We put in a lot of work on this one right here. On this one right here, I ended up with 9 dinks and 4 really nice bass on that little bitty Shinmushi Cicada bug. And I'm just so excited about that one in this video, because what it showed was that big fish, small fish, all eat insects, all eat lures, and it was great. And also, that's got to be some kind of record. In this video here, I used 1 rod, 1 reel, 1 lure, bank fishing a pressured pond that's just a regular old pond. They don't fill it with fish. They just grow naturally there. So there got to be a record for that. But today was really a special day for me, because I really showed everybody out there that you can catch them on top water, no matter what the situation is, in the sense of they're small ones, big ones, they all hit top water. If they're looking for bugs, they're going to hit that top water. And I was able to do that here for you today. So I'm so excited about that. I've got some lure reviews that are going to come in up soon that you're going to be amazed with. I'm even going to do my own top water lure giveaway. So all these things are upcoming. So I want you to definitely like, subscribe to the channel, stay connected here, because we're going to start doing some bigger and funner things as we continue down this journey together. So once again, like I said before, and as I always say, keep your line tight, because when they hit that top water lure, no matter if it's big or small, it's going to be a big bite. All right.